So today we are going to make simple mutton curry. It uses very basic ingredients but very yummy taste. Here are the ingredients which I'm going to use in the recipe. You can get the list of the ingredients from the video description box. Now heat oil in a pressure cooker. Add chopped onions. Once they become translucent or start becoming light brown, add curry leaves as well as green chili. Give it a mix and let it cook till onions become golden brown. Once the onion become good golden brown, add ginger garlic paste and let it cook till the raw smell goes away for around 30 to 45 seconds. Now add tomatoes and let it cook till tomatoes are well cooked. That means tomatoes become mushy. Now add in all the spices, powdered spices, that means red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala as well as salt. And add a small amount of water, about 3 spoons to prevent from burning. Now give it a mix. Now let it cook for 1 to 2 minutes while it starts separating. Now add washed mutton pieces. Now let it cook on high medium or medium flame till the mutton pieces start becoming light brown, or for a few minutes, for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep stirring and keep tossing the mutton pieces to prevent burning. Now add some water. Now close the cooker. Turn the flame to low and wait for 4 whistles. Cooker. Let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes and stir couple of times in between, and if needed add more water as per your gravy requirement. Now add fresh coriander leaves. After mixing, switch off the flame. Now we will transfer it to the serving dish. Now transfer our mutton curry, simple mutton curry, to the serving dish and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. So friends, here is our simple Indian mutton curry ready to eat. So friends, enjoy your mutton curry. We'll see you again very soon with a new dish, with a new recipe. Till then, bye bye and take care of yourself. Have a good night and thank you for watching.